Hi all, welcome back to DS Beauty Blossom. Today I am here with a new haul, which is eBay haul. These makeup brushes, rose gold packaging like this, and they have this dome shape of handle here, and you have this brush here with all the nice soft bristles. So they are very nice, very sleek, and also it's easy to handle to use these because they're not short, they're tall. And I really like this purchase out of the eBay purchase I have made, and I have used this one for the compact, and then I have used this one for eyeshadow, and so affordable. This one I have bought it for like $6.99, so it's equal to $7. That is nearly 470 rupees. Super nice, super soft, super. I did not wash these brushes, so I don't know if there's a fall off. But right now there is no fall off. But I really like this brush. It's very nice, you know, have your powder or the blush on your face. So it's nice. I like this one. The next one I bought are these powder puff sponges. They're pack of 5 each, and I actually have one outside. I have been using them. So these are the puffs. This actually sturdy. I did not like the way it works because I think you cannot apply foundation with this. They're only good for powder puffs. So these are the 5 puffs I had at $1.89. That's nearly to 125 rupees, Indian rupees. So that's the second one I bought. I did not like this, so that's okay. I've got 5 in this, so I don't complain. So that's fine. I'll try to make use of it somehow. And the next one I have bought is this small sponge foundation. I'm sorry I used it. This is dirty. And this is the second one. It looks, mini Real Technique one. And this is retailed at 50 rupees. That is 76 cents. And I really was expecting a bigger one. But all these products take like about 3 to 5 weeks somewhere from the location where you order it. Beauty blenders, and they are really nice. The original beauty blenders cost around 1800 to 2000 rupees, and this one is not original, but it looks like similar. It's a replica. So this is how the beauty blender looks like, and this one I got it for $2.45. This is nearly like 150 Indian rupees. I've got 2 of these, and they are so nice. This is how it is. They're so soft, and when you soak them in the water, it actually doubles its size. Application is very nice. It goes on very smooth. I've used it twice now, and I really love this one. The second one is the same one. This I used it today, so it's like, it's dirty. So this is also same, 160 rupees each. And the next one I have are these fan brushes. To buy one, so I brought this one. So this is how the brush is. So I can use some highlighter. I've not used it, so I'll try. So this is the first one, and also I bought a second fan brush from a different seller. I like the pink color in it, so this is how it is. The packaging is cute, and yes, this is how the fan brush is. And this one was like 65 rupees. So this is like 75 cents, and this was like 99 cents, like almost $1 this one. But I like this one better. What I've got is a liquid lipstick, the Anastasia Beverly. The shade is pretty pink. This is what I've applied today. I really like it, how it is. It's not sticky at all. How it looks. So it smells like sweet, but that's good. So this is the first lipstick I have, and the second lipstick I have is Dragon lipstick. This is a replica of Kat Von D, I guess. That's how the packaging looks, but it says Dragon lipstick here. But surprisingly, I can see the lipstick is only half, so I should actually check with the seller. But this is in shade 01, and this was like $1.88, which was nearly like 85 to 100 rupees, I guess. Yes. So the second one. So this is also not sticky. And the last one I have from this haul is a MAC Kissable Lip Cover Row, and this is how the packaging is. And I like the packaging, it's so nice. This is how the lipstick is. This is a liquid lipstick and this is so soft in texture, and this is actually the A09 Devil's Food Cake color. And actually when I ordered online the color was little different, but what I got is different. Stick what I've got, and this was retailed for like $5.99. It was the expensive one because I want to make sure the formula is good. The formula is good, everything is good, except that the color I ordered was different and what I got is different. The name is right, but the pictures were different, so it's fine. I also like this color. So this is what I have in today's eBay haul. My channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like my video, please give a big thumbs up. That means a lot to me, and thank you so much. Have a great day.